revolution will be live.
Going on, YouTube fam? You know who it is. ZXP in the building. Just letting y'all know a couple of things are going in the shoot for the next couple of videos, but yeah, I'll probably do a separate video. It looks like I'm gonna have to redo the clutch in here because the stack height is a little looks like it wore down. I think that's also contributed by the master cylinder that I had on there. Probably just not enough on it, so I'm probably going back to OEM. But neither here nor there. That's previews for the next piece of content. But with that being said, I want to give a shout out to BT Helmet Headset. They sent me this to review on the channel. Now I'm gonna give you, I guess, my take once I do the unboxing. It's probably gonna be in multiple parts, but with this helmet here, shout out to Ghost Biker Helmet. If you're gonna order from them, make sure you use the promo code ZX Predator with them. So yeah, you'll get a nice little discount with them. So make sure you use it. All right, I know a couple of y'all watched that unboxing video and ordering without using that code. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. But in any case, with this helmet per se, when I'm using my Scala Rider, I actually have to order extra bays or cradles to put between the Venom helmet and this, and it's cumbersome to keep going back and forth, and I don't have enough audio kits to keep swapping back and forth, because I was gonna get one for this and one for the Venom helmet to just, all I have to do is just change the unit. But I'm trying something. They sent me this and I'm gonna try it out. So let's take a look here. So because of the lighting, let's move out here just get a better view. I don't know why it's losing focus, but in any case, let's see what we have here. The way that this unit is going to sit in the helmet, you see, the only thing is, I like the fact that with the Scala Rider, I can actually control the unit from the side. Here, I think I will have to be completely dependent on the phone. So these are some of the features with it, but I just wanted to check the quality out, make sure it's all good. Now it did say that when I was reading it, it's an hour and a half to charge with 160 hours of standby time. Sorry about that, the freight train was passing by, but yeah, 160 hours of standby time. That is a lot. That is a whole lot. So we're gonna close this up and then actually take a look at the inside. I had to close the garage because it was getting kind of wild out there. But I'm gonna try to open this thing. Let's see. Charging cable. I guess the instructions, but I won't need it because me as a techie guy, I figure things out rather quickly. But there you have it. Interesting. So all the controls are actually on the unit itself. So it has the volume up. Yeah, I'm using my little dome light in the garage, so it has the call volume up, volume down. I wonder what that piece is for. Oh, probably the charging and the intercom. All right. Now, I would say the speakers look like they're gonna be a little more durable because it's not like, how can I say? The one thing with the Scala Rider Q3, the yeah, those don't last too long. You know, I'm glad that Cardo went with the JBLs, but without mentioning the other product too much, focusing on this, you know, looks like they got the sticky pads in there. All right. This looks like it'll go in here without too much of a hitch, so I'm gonna try it out and see what it looks like. That might be in a future video, we'll see. But yeah, interesting. I might need my brother-in-law to help me out with it. But that's the unboxing for this BT helmet headset. You can get them from Amazon. And you know, I'll throw this up as like a raw unboxing edit, you know, just to check some things out, because I'm always trying to improve the quality of comfort, because again, the Cardo doesn't really mount on this helmet or the Ghost Biker helmets so easily. Sometimes like it'll get caught on my jacket because it's so far to the back and down. So I'm gonna try this. And if all goes well, then hey, that'll be for my Ghost Biker helmets. I don't use them often because this is, you know, the one that gets the most attention, most detail and all that. Look at that, no, it's beauty. So make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. If you've tried these out, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. And I'm gonna mount that sucker in here, test some stuff out and see how it works out. We'll see you later. Alright, what's going on, YouTube fam? I'm doing a follow-up on one of the Bluetooth devices that was sent to me. I have to say the voice command on this one, that it's not the Cardo or the A10 that I have, but literally there's no controller. You have to use the voice command for it. So with that being said, you take this thing off. That being said, I am impressed. I'm very impressed. I'm gonna see if you guys can see this in here. Alright, so as you can see here, I had to hide the Bluetooth speakers on the inside. Now this is my Berserker helmet, which is a little tighter on my head than my other ones. Shout out to HJC and Rezer Customs. This is a Rezer. This is a full face. You know, it's a DOT. It's a real helmet for those who had questions. But in any case, the boom I have right up in there. All right, the voice command on this device is on point. It is on point. Like, I have to say, it's like literally hidden, right? I have to get used to the fact that I'm not touching like a unit on the side. This is where my Cardo used to be. But the A10, it's beefy, it's nice, but this one, you don't even know that there's a Bluetooth apparatus in here. So I have to say, aside from, you know, I think it automatically picks up calls, which I don't like. Sometimes if I see it while I'm, you know, certain calls while I'm riding, you know, I want to stay focused and not get into arguments or whatever. You know, there's just some, you know, when I'm riding, I want to be at peace. But I will say, unfortunately, I can't do like a real-time demo because I'm using my phone and it's already bonded to what's inside. But I have to say, at first I was kind of naysaying, but literally you don't see it once you install it. Now, I did have to struggle and play around and finagle a bit, but I did get it in there, you know. So I like this. I'm gonna see if I can set up a real-time demo because I don't have certain personnel with me to do you know, a side-by-side, or I could be in the car using the Bluetooth and so on and so forth. I might see if my brother-in-law can help me out with that, or my other sister. So, but I have to say, this, I have the speaker right underneath this, so I put this pad here to kind of, you know, give me an idea of where it is on the inside. But yeah, that Bluetooth that I showed you guys, it's all right, you know. And for the price, you know, it's not even more than $40, probably like 30 or so. But I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, so you know where to order it. And make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. ZX Predator. I'm out.